All right, we're gonna do the 10 a.m. Sunline now. All of the process is exactly the same, so this one's gonna be faster, which is why I already set up our information. I also already got our DR position. Evidently, there's a lot wrong with this problem that I was given in the first place, so this DR position is probably wrong too. Hopefully it's wrong in the same ways. So we're gonna start with the time corrections. 10, 14, 16 was our ZT. Minus 11, so that's gonna bring us to 23, 14, 16, again, still in the, on the third. So now we're ready to come to the book. November 3rd, we get a GHA at 2300 of 169 in 6 minutes. 169 degrees 06.0 minutes, and a declination of south 15 degrees 15.9 minutes. Little d is still 0.8. In the minutes and seconds, we had minutes 14, seconds 16, gets us 3 degrees 34 minutes, and 0.8 is equal to 0.2. So that's going to give us south 15 degrees 16.1 minutes. Assume latitude's still going to be 18 degrees north. We're going to add these two together. This is 34. Yeah. That'll 40.0 minutes and 172 degrees. Good. Next, our assumed longitude. We're gonna be adding, so it's gonna have to be 20 minutes here. And if we look up here, 20 minutes is close enough that 161 degrees, 20 minutes would be within 30 minutes of 161 degrees, 38 minutes. So add the two together. We'll do 172 plus 162. That says 334 degrees. 334 degrees. We're ready to come to the site reduction tables. LHA of 334 degrees. There's 342, 331, 334. We are still the contrary. We're gonna come over here. And our latitude is still 18 degrees, though our declination is now also 15 degrees. We're going to get a height of 48 degrees, 13.1 minutes. 48 degrees, 13.1 minutes. A little d of minus 47. A z of 140.5. 140.5, and a z plus 1 of 141.5. 141.5. And our difference here is positive 1. All right. Now we're ready to interpolate. So we're going to take the minutes of our declination, 16.1 over 60. Apply it to both of these. So we're going to get 16.1 divided by 60 times 47 is 12.2, so we'll do 13.1 minus 12, or 12.6, gets us 0.5. So our HC is going to be 48 degrees, 0.5 minutes north. Our ZN is going to be 16.1 divided by 60 is basically 0.3. We're going to add that to 140.5. We're going to get 140.8 degrees. I forgot we have to do Z to ZN. However, we're in the north and our LHA is greater than 180, so ZN does equal 140. So we can carry down now 18 degrees north, 161 degrees, 20.0 minutes east, and 140.8, which for all intents and purposes we can treat as 141. Now our HS was 48 degrees, 09.4 minutes. Our IE is still 0.3 minutes on, and our dip is still minus 7.2. So that's going to be 9.4 minus 0.3 minus 7.2. Gets us 1.9, 48 degrees. I didn't write space for our main correction, but here will be our main correction. We're doing the sun on its lower limb again, using the same column. So what was it, 48 and 1? Come down to 48 here. Plus 15.4. So we're going to do an additional 15.4 minutes. That gets us 48 degrees, 17.3 minutes. So now we can compare HO to HC. HC was 48 degrees 0.5. HO is 17.3. So we'll do 17.3 minus 0.5. Gives us 16.8 minutes. HO is higher, so it's towards. Now that that's all set, we can come to plotting. We're going to start. Assume latitude 18 degrees. Assume longitude 161 degrees, 20 minutes. So we measure out 20 minutes. Right there. Good. And now we're going to do a ZN of 140, or 141 essentially. Bring it up to here. 141, almost. There's our towards, there's our away. And we're going to measure a distance of 416.8, so nearly 17. Wow. There's our intercept. And we're going to draw our perpendicular line. Okay, so whatever they did wrong with the Sunline, or potentially I did wrong, it only applied to the 0800 one because the 01000 one is really close to our DR position. 10, what was it, 14? Yeah. 10, 14. So our 0800 Sunline, whether the problem was wrong or my plotting was wrong or my math was wrong, it's way away, but our 1000 Sunline lands really close to our DR position. So I think when we come to LAN, we're going to have to throw out the 0800 Sunline just like we did the 1000 Sunline. This is something that happens in CLNAV a lot. You're going to just do stuff that doesn't work out and you have to forget about it and accept the fact that you just wasted a lot of effort, but you're still going to be able to get something approximating a fix moving on from here.